the royal wedding. Like, come on, what the fuck? I could get married to any of my wives, girlfriends, females in Russia. Boobies, yes. Anyways, there is this prince, right? And he gets married to this chick. But it's not the chick that your eyes are appealed to. It's his sister. It's her sister. Because like Pippa Middleton, like damn, I tapped that like 20 times. Fuck my wives. I mean lives. I mean women. Because if you look at that chick's ratio, look her up on Google Images. The first 3 pictures are her half naked on the back of a truck. Hey, I'd like to put her half naked on the back of a truck, if you know what I mean. Boom boom. Check the room. Anyways. And then the queen, she does her special little wave. Do you know what was really awesome about that though? There was a nun who wore Reeboks to the ceremony. That is a nun who is thinking practically. See, if there was a terrorist at the wedding, she could have run that bastard down and she could have spear tackled that motherfucker to the ground. Because he would have got owned. She'd have been like, you just got marched, motherfucker. And then he would have got destroyed. He will set off bomb, nobody died, because nuns risk her life with her Reeboks and goes boom. No destruction because the nuns are bulletproof outfits. It's a secret. I've known this for years. You wear a nun outfit, there's no way you're going to get shot. Whatsoever. Who wants to shoot a nun? Not me. I have none reason. Ha ha ha. I make funny joke. Goodbye. That's better. Say hello to my little friend. Is that what you are trying to say, my friend?
I want to kill everybody in the world. I want to kill everybody in the world. I want to kill everybody in the world.
My mother was a drinker. My father was a suicidal maniac. You do the math.